Hi guys! So today we're going to be talking about rice water, right? Rice water, if you're using rice water for hair growth or thinking about using it for hair growth, or you use it for hair growth but you don't necessarily like the smell of it, today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your rice water go from stink, okay, to wonderful. So this rice water right here, I have had it fermented for 3 days, okay? And when I open it, and you don't even have to go close, it just gives you a nice kick in the face, you know. Psh, psh. So if you want to turn that into this right here, this is a fermented rice water I did also for 3 days, and I have it smelling divine, okay? This rice water smells so good. It just smells wonderful. So if you want to know how I got it from kick in the face to smelling like I just want to use it every day, stay tuned. Alright guys, so let me quickly go over how you can make rice water. Now I have other videos about this, but just in case you have never seen that, so that you can learn how to make it, and then we can quickly move on to how you can make it smell fantastic. So in case you have never heard about rice water for hair growth, rice water contains a lot of vitamins and amino acids that help increase your hair growth and also strengthens the hair. So we're going to be pouring about 1 cup of rice into a strainer, and we're going to go ahead and wash it. You don't want to skip this step because you really want to get rid of any of the impurities that comes with the rice. So just go ahead and rinse your rice thoroughly. We are going to be making fermented rice water. That is said to be the best option because it has better pH level for your hair and is the most nutrition rich method. It also contains patera, which promotes cell regeneration. After you wash your rice, you're gonna pour it into a jar or a bowl, and then you're gonna fill it up with water, maybe about 1 cup or a little bit more than that. So you're gonna fill it up with water, and then you're going to cover it. So in order to ferment your rice water, you just have to leave it for 24 hours. 24 hours is more than enough for it to be fermented so you can use it on your hair. So let me show you guys what the difference in color looks like. The rice water that looks very deep and milky, that's the one that has been fermented. It's very rich in color, and the one that is on the other side, that is more light, more transparent, that is the rice water that I just created. The one that has been fermented for 3 days has a very strong smell, very stinky, funky smell. Now usually when I ferment my rice water for 1 day, 24 hours, it doesn't really have that strong funky smell, but whenever I leave it for 2 days or 3 days, that is when it starts to get the very potent smell. So if you don't necessarily like the smell of your rice water, you can add some essential oils to it. Essential oils are excellent in fragrance in your rice water because just a drop of any of these essential oils will just change the entire fragrance of your rice water, and you're gonna be in love with it. Now you don't have to use, of course, like a whole lot of oils in it. You can just buy 1 essential oil or 2 essential oils that you really like the fragrance of, and you can just use that only. So over here I have sweet orange, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, lavender, lemongrass, peppermint, eucalyptus, and frankincense. So some of the small combination that smells fantastic is I mixed lavender and peppermint together. So I mixed about 6 drops of lavender and about a couple of drops of peppermint, and together smells really, really wonderful. Another combination that I've really been loving is also mixing tea tree oil and rosemary oil. They smell so wonderful together. And the third option is sweet orange and peppermint. I put a little bit more sweet orange than I do peppermint, so it gives it more of like a citrusy, minty smell. It smells fantastic. Alright guys, so this is the fermented rice water. Like I said, I fermented this for 3 days. This smells so good. Lavender and peppermint, and I just love this. I'm just gonna show you guys a quick application process of how I apply it. Right now I have my hair shampooed and conditioned, but I did not wash the conditioner out. The conditioner is still in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rice water on top of the conditioner. So I'm gonna put it to the scalp, rub it in. And then spray the rest of the hair. And I let it sit for about 1 hour. Now you can let it sit from anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, and then after you let it sit for a little bit, you can go ahead and rinse your hair with water. Now, like I mentioned before, even after you rinse your hair with water, the benefits of the rice water still remains in your hair, and it helps nourish and strengthen your hair. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully it was helpful and useful, and you try some of these mixtures of oils to your rice water. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll talk to you guys next time.